Brunei versus Malaysia, rich versus poor. Brunei and Malaysia's contrasting systems of governance have played a critical role in shaping their economic outcomes. Brunei operates as an absolute monarchy under Sultan Hassanal Bolkiah, who has ruled since 1967. This centralized power structure enables swift decision-making, minimal political conflict, and a streamlined approach to economic management. For instance, the Sultan can allocate national resources, design welfare programs, and implement policies without the delays often caused by bureaucratic processes or political opposition. In Malaysia, the story is very different. As a parliamentary democracy, Malaysia frequently experiences shifts in political leadership, coalition changes, and policy inconsistencies. Over the past decade, Malaysia has seen multiple changes in its prime ministership, leading to interruptions in economic reforms and development projects. While the democratic system allows for broader representation, it also introduces inefficiencies and delays that can hinder long-term economic planning. Political stability has given Brunei an edge in maintaining its wealth. The Sultan's government has been able to build reserves from oil revenues, ensuring the country's financial stability even during global downturns. In contrast, Malaysia's political turmoil often impacts investor confidence and economic performance. For instance, during periods of political instability, Malaysia has seen significant capital flight and slower economic growth. Corruption also plays a role in these differences. Transparency International's Corruption Perception Index consistently ranks Brunei higher than Malaysia. While no system is entirely immune to corruption, Brunei's tight-knit governance minimizes the risk of large-scale embezzlement. Malaysia, on the other hand, has faced several high-profile corruption scandals, such as the 1MDB financial scandal, which shook both domestic and international confidence in its governance. The impact of these governance styles is evident in their economic policies. Brunei's centralized decision-making allows for efficient allocation of resources, such as maintaining its extensive welfare programs. Malaysia's fragmented politics, however, can lead to policy gridlocks and inefficient use of resources, hindering its ability to compete with Brunei's focused strategies. Brunei's absolute monarchy ensures a sense of continuity and stability that attracts investments and allows for long-term planning. In Malaysia, while democracy provides a voice to its diverse population, the frequent political turnover disrupts its economic momentum. These differences highlight why Brunei's governance model, though less inclusive, has contributed to its wealth and stability, while Malaysia's more democratic approach faces the challenges of managing a much larger and more complex nation.